Hello everyone, my name is Gideon, Manager Gatoto Integrated Development Program. On behalf of Gatoto, I wish to say a big thank you and acknowledge the receipt of your donations for making it happen when we needed you to come on board to respond to emergencies on floods and evictions victims that we had in our school. More than 262 households were affected, and we really feel appreciated. We feel honored to have you come on board to give us that support. I will leave you with the video to see exactly what transpired with our support after your intervention. Thank you so much, and let's do it again.